Now, in this video, we will see that the devil card, what it tells when it appears in career and work. So, when the devil shows up in a career reading, it means work is controlling you more than it should be. You may feel stuck in a job you don't like, but you stay because of fear or money. This card also shows a lot of work pressure, long hours with no balance, fear of change, a toxic work environment. You may feel like you have no choice, but this card, reminds you that you always have a choice. So here, devil is asking you. This card is asking you that are you working from passion or from fear? So what happens when this card, the devil, appears in the money matter? So with money, the devil wants you to be very careful. It shows that you may be, spending to feel better. You may be chasing money only for status, or you you may be depending too much on income for self-worth. So this card, ask you here, don't sell your peace for money. Now we will see the spiritual meaning of the devil. So spiritually, the devil, this card is a wake-up call. It shows fear, ego, and negative thinking that is blocking your growth, your overall growth, your spiritual growth. You may be, doubting yourself. You may feel disconnected from your inner power. This card asks you to look at your shadow and, not to judge yourself, but to understand yourself. It is this card also, ask you to face your fears. Okay. And it also tells you that when you will face your fear, this fear loses control over you. Now we'll see what is the meaning when the card appear in reversed. So when the devil comes in reversed, it is a strong sign of freedom. Okay. It is saying that you are ready to leave a toxic job or a toxic work culture. You are breaking unhealthy work habits. You have stopped living in fear. You have finally chosen yourself. So this card devil in reversed is a positive card. So it tells you that this is the moment when you take your power back. You are no your fears are no longer controlling you. You are completely guided by your awareness. So if the devil appears in reversed in any of the readings, and it is a positive card. So if you uh, uh, understand this explanation, the devil is basically this does not trap you. It only shows where you are trapped by your fear. The chain are loose. You can walk anytime. The movement you choose awareness, you choose freedom. Okay, if you have any question related to this card or any related to the explanation, you can just comment it down. Okay, thanks for watching.